Yeah, a very good morning to us. I want to bring this to us as a flash update, an emergency update about what is currently going on in the market right now. Remember, I brought to us yesterday the video and I was telling us what we're expecting a week ahead. And I told us that if Bitcoin breaks above 19,500, then it will be a time for us to once again pay attention to Bitcoin. And then if the dollar index will retrace back down to where it came back from, then we'll also see some kind of movement. I told us that the oil prices today was looking weak, and then also the gold and silver price also looking weak. Now these are the store of value. These are where people move dollar to. These are the things why people need dollar, and this has been the reason why dollar have gained strength. I said if the weakness persists in oil price for that yesterday and even the gold price, we are going to see Bitcoin coming to the downside. Exactly, we wake up today and we see Bitcoin having a spike to the upside, and we are seeing the dollar index also on the weekly, on the daily time frame also having some form of weakness. Quickly, let us look at this chart before us here. Now, take note of the last time that the dollar index had a major retracement. It was at the same point of this resistance in the RSI. It was at the same point at the RSI that the dollar index had this, weakness to the downside. And then again, quickly, I want to draw our attention quickly to the Bitcoin chart on a daily time frame also. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart on a daily time frame. Yeah, on a daily time frame, if you look at the Bitcoin quickly, no time to waste. You just go straight to the point here. This is simple and short, straight to the point. Look at the daily time frame for the Bitcoin chart. Now, if you look at Bitcoin has bounced from the prices of that 18,500, which I told us is currently our support. Yesterday, it was serving at the support, and we're looking at it if it will break or not. Eventually, it did not break, and it established itself as a support. I told us that Bitcoin has not proven itself to have a strong support at 18,500, but right now we are seeing today Bitcoin bouncing from 18,500, though the bounce started from yesterday and confirming it today. Now, it has shown to us that clearly 18,500 is likely to be another support that will hold Bitcoin for some time. Already, we are seeing Bitcoin moving above 19,500, which also historically have been a very strong support because this was the previous all-time high for Bitcoin in 2017. Right now, where is Bitcoin touching? Look at Bitcoin is touching that Fibonacci 0.38. Fibonacci 0.38, which has the value of Bitcoin at 20,300, is a very strong resistance. It is a very strong resistance. Now, let me tell us something logically about Fibonacci 0.38. It's always regarded to be the dead cat bounce until the price of an asset move above, breaks above the Fibonacci 0.38. The price of that asset has not proven to be on a recovery because the 0.38 Fibonacci has always been a dead cat bounce. What this means is that if Bitcoin cannot break above the 0.38 Fibonacci, which is around the prices of 20,300, Bitcoin fall from here, it is going to go below 18,500. That is it. The fall usually used to be very massive. Any fall from the 0.38 Fibonacci used to be very massive. So it is going to fall below where it came from. That is the 18,500 is going to be broken if Bitcoin reverses from this 0.38 Fibonacci. But then we will look at the RSI. The RSI is showing us strength. Come on. 50 RSI line has been broken. Above 50,000, 50 RSI line, I told us is bullish. Above is bullish. Now, Bitcoin RSI has moved above 50 line, which is bringing some kind of bullish sentiment into the market right now. Okay, let us look at the RSI. We have seen the RSI. Let's look at the MACD. MACD has crossed. MACD has crossed to the upside, showing what positive strength, moving what to the bullish territory also. So we are seeing the MACD favoring the bulls, showing that the strength is coming. The RSI is showing that strength is coming. So what is left now is for demand to confirm this. If demand confirm this, then we are going to see, let me tell us where Bitcoin price is going to be headed to. Quickly, let me pull down this chart here. Yeah, then we are going to be expecting the price of Bitcoin to move to the prices of 21,100. That is where we're going to keep our eyes on if Bitcoin is able to break above the Fibonacci of 0.38, which lies around the prices of 20,300. I want to keep it simple and short here for us. Meanwhile, I will try and see how I bring out our trade setup so that we can see what and where we are going to possibly have some kind of moves, for Avalanche, for Solana. Already there's already some move already, for Ethereum and also for BNB. Those are the assets that will basically trade. All right, bye for now. See you. you in my next update. I remain my humble self, Henry.